Hello everyone, I'm Kat and I'm going to be working with you and we're going to create us a torch for Survivor's Day. So what we have here is we have one made with a toilet paper roll, and then we have another example, and this one's made with a paper towel holder. Anything you have at home that's cylinder would work. So we're going to get started right now. So take your tin foil, use the shiny side on the inside of your cardboard. That way the emphasis is on your fire and it's on your flame. So what we're going to do is tuck in both ends, and then on this side we're going to create like a crown effect. About every ½ inch, cut about a ½ inch. Nothing today has to be perfect, so just have fun with it. So I've got about a ½ inch, so I'm going to go fold it down like this right now and just kind of push up the foil. The next part we're going to do is we're going to make the flower. So you can use tissue paper that you have at home, cut it into 6½ by maybe 10½, 12-inch squares. So I have mine all prepared here. So I'm just going to grab my paper, and for this one, I'm going to use all foil paper. I like that. I was able to find everything, and we're going to make like a flower blossom. I wanted to let you all know that everything that you see that I'm using today came from a store that sells things for $1. So it was a great bargain. Find things, look for things around your home. So you can kind of see I taped it, made like a blossom. So now I'm going to put it into the torch. So that's what we have so far. The next step that we're going to do is we're going to make our flames. So your flames can look like this. It can look any way you want it to. What I did is I made a pattern. I'll show you up close, and think of a teardrop upside down or a drop of water. So make them different sizes, different shapes. Nothing has to be perfect here. So I have my teardrop, and so what I'm going to do, this one I've decided to take the red and orange and brown color pencil and make a design. How I do that is I follow the outside of my flame. So I just kind of come around like that, and then I'm going to make a crosshatch. Crosshatch is a series of lines that all come together, and it just gives emphasis in a corner. Whatever I've done on one side, I do it on the opposite side. So again, I'm going to take my 3 color pencils and do that. Feel free to mix what you're using. I use colored pencils. I'm going to take a yellow highlighter, a yellow marker, and kind of create emphasis on my flame. The next thing you want to do is kind of stage where you want your flames to be. So I put that one in there. I'm putting a lighter peach one again right here. And you can glue, staple them, tape them in once you decide what you want. Your flames can say honoring my mother, honoring my brother. It could say words that are important to you, like peace, for example. Another word that might be important is faith, and you can put those all in there just like this. Again, use whatever you want and be creative. And if they fall out, just put them back in and stick them in. I might change this again later. I might not like placement, so I'm not going to glue or tape. I found this really cool raffia, so I'm just going to kind of put that in and drape this, so it kind of gives it like a little flare. So now you've completed your torch. So let's celebrate the fact that you're a survivor. Thank you for being with us today. Have fun.